Transform rough edges into smooth finishes with the Jorgensen chamfer plane. This sleek tool offers precision and efficiency, allowing you to chamfer edges effortlessly. Whether crafting furniture or decorative pieces, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. The adjustable depth feature provides unmatched control for achieving the perfect angle. Built with durable materials, this plane is ideal for long-term use in any woodworking project. Its compact size makes it a must-have for professional and DIY woodworkers. Create professional-grade chamfers without the hassle of bulky tools. Experience the ease and elegance of woodworking with Jorgensen. Streamline your woodworking assembly with the Wen JN8504 Biscuit Joiner. Designed for quick and sturdy joints, this tool ensures seamless alignment of wooden pieces. Its powerful 8.5 amp motor and adjustable fence provide precision for all angles. Ideal for furniture, frames, or cabinets, it's versatile enough for diverse applications. The ergonomic handle minimizes fatigue during extended use. With a dust collection system, your workspace stays clean and organized. Whether a seasoned woodworker or a novice, this joiner enhances the strength and appearance of your projects. Join pieces like a pro with Wen. Unleash your creativity with the TEENO wood router, your partner in crafting intricate designs. With a powerful motor and adjustable speed, this router handles diverse materials and applications effortlessly. Whether grooving, trimming, or carving, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable control. The transparent base offers excellent visibility for precision work. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, it's perfect for furniture detailing or decorative projects. Lightweight yet durable, it's built to last while delivering professional-grade results. Elevate your woodworking game with the TEENO wood router, where precision meets versatility. Achieve flawless pocket hole joints with the Kreg R3 Junior Pocket Hole Jig System. This compact jig is perfect for creating strong, hidden connections in furniture projects. Its adjustable settings cater to various material thicknesses, ensuring precise results every time. Lightweight yet robust, it's easy to carry and use, even in tight spaces. The included drill guide and hardened steel core guarantee consistent performance. Perfect for beginners and professionals alike, it simplifies joinery while enhancing the quality of your work. Save time and elevate your woodworking with this versatile tool. Kreg makes precision accessible and efficient. Simplify alignment tasks with the Milescraft 8408 Center Finder. This ingenious tool locates exact centers on boards, dowels, and irregular shapes. Its dual marking pencils create precise lines, saving time and effort. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store. Whether working on furniture or decorative pieces, it enhances accuracy and reduces guesswork. Made of durable materials, it withstands rigorous use in any workshop. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists, it's a game changer for precision alignment. Let the Milescraft Center Finder guide you to perfection every time. Achieve impeccable alignment with the PREXISO multi-surface laser level. This high-precision tool projects horizontal, vertical, and cross lines for flawless layouts. Perfect for woodworking, it simplifies alignment for shelves, frames, or cabinets. Compact and portable, it's easy to use in various settings. Its sturdy design ensures durability while withstanding demanding tasks. With intuitive controls and clear visibility, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Eliminate measurement errors and elevate your craftsmanship. Trust PREXISO for a perfect start to every project. Sharpen your tools with ease using the GOINGMAKE Precision Honing Guide system. This innovative guide ensures consistent angles for razor-sharp edges. Compatible with chisels and plane blades, it's a must-have for maintaining your tools. The robust design and adjustable settings make sharpening efficient and precise. Lightweight and portable, it fits seamlessly into any workshop. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists, it's the key to prolonging tool life and performance. Say goodbye to dull edges and hello to precision with GOINGMAKE. Keep your tools ready for the finest cuts. Revolutionize your joinery with the AUTOTOOLHOME Self-Centering Doweling Jig. This tool simplifies the creation of precise dowel holes, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Its self-centering mechanism adjusts to various material sizes effortlessly. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for repetitive tasks in furniture making. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip for extended use. Whether a novice or a seasoned woodworker, it's an essential addition to your toolkit. Create strong, professional-grade joints with unmatched ease. Let AUTOTOOLHOME make your projects flawless and efficient. Master Precision. Marking with the Saker. Multifunction scribing tool. This versatile tool adapts to various shapes and materials for accurate lines and measurements. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for tight spaces and intricate designs. The adjustable design ensures flexibility for a wide range of applications. Durable construction guarantees long-term performance in demanding workshops. Whether creating furniture or decorative accents, it enhances your craftsmanship. Easy to use and reliable, it's a must-have for detailed woodworking. Saker empowers precision, making every mark count. Achieve flawless edge finishing with the Saker Chamfer Plane. This compact tool is designed to chamfer edges with precision and ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Built with high-quality materials, it's durable enough for professional and hobbyist applications. The adjustable depth feature offers control for creating perfect chamfers. Lightweight and portable, it fits seamlessly into any workshop. Elevate your woodworking projects with polished edges that stand out. Trust Saker for reliable performance and exceptional results. Secure your projects with the Bessey variable angle strap clamp, designed for maximum versatility. This tool accommodates various shapes and angles, ensuring a firm hold every time. The strap's durable material provides strength while preventing damage to delicate surfaces. Its ergonomic handle makes tightening and adjusting effortless, even for extended use. Ideal for furniture assembly or intricate woodworking projects, it simplifies complex clamping tasks. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store and transport. Enhance your craftsmanship with this reliable and adaptable clamp. Bessey delivers the grip you need for professional results. When it comes to accuracy and durability, the STANLEY FATMAX tape measure stands out. With a reinforced metal case and a bold, easy-to-read tape, it's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The tape measures up to 35 feet, ensuring you can handle larger projects with ease. Its high-visibility blade also helps you work in low-light areas, giving you confidence during measurements. The standout feature? The tape's ability to lock in place, making it perfect for measuring long distances. With a comfortable grip and heavy-duty build, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. It's built to last, even in the toughest environments, making it reliable for all your woodworking needs. Whether you're measuring wood or setting up your work site, this tape measure is all you need. Safety and precision go hand in hand with the Microjig GRR-RIP Block Smart Push Block. Designed to give you ultimate control while cutting, this push block ensures your hands stay safe away from the blade. It features advanced gripping action, providing a secure hold on your material as you cut, reducing the risk of slippage. The design also includes a narrow profile, which means you can safely guide small or narrow stock through your table saw or router. The lightweight, ergonomic handle offers comfortable use during long cutting sessions. With the GRR-RIP block, you can improve your accuracy while maintaining full control over your cuts. Its patented technology gives you the confidence to work with high-speed tools without fear. Achieve perfect drill holes with the MaxxGeek Drill Guide, an essential tool for anyone who needs precise, accurate drilling. This guide ensures you drill at exact angles, whether you're making vertical or horizontal holes. The adjustable guide slots let you control the depth of each hole, offering more versatility for different projects. It's designed to work with any drill bit size, giving you flexibility for various tasks. The sturdy base and metal construction provide stability during use, reducing wobbling and allowing for a smooth drill action. With its compact size, this tool is perfect for both home use and professional workspaces. The simple setup makes it easy to start drilling accurately right out of the box. If precision is a priority for your woodworking, this guide is a game changer. Say goodbye to measuring errors with the Motovera Laser Level. This tool projects a bright, clear laser line on your workspace, helping you maintain perfect alignment while working on your projects. Whether you're hanging shelves, laying tiles, or building furniture, the level ensures everything is straight and level. The adjustable laser line can be used for both horizontal and vertical applications, making it versatile for a range of tasks. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use, which makes it a perfect addition to any toolbox. With its self-leveling feature, you won't have to worry about manually adjusting your measurements. Plus, the rugged design ensures durability, even in demanding environments. For precise leveling without the hassle, this tool is indispensable. Moving heavy equipment around your workshop has never been easier than with the Bora Portamate Mobile Base Kit PM1100. This mobile base is designed to support large tools like saws, workbenches, and dust collectors, allowing you to move them with ease. It has adjustable width, making it compatible with a wide variety of tool sizes. The solid steel construction ensures maximum stability, so even when you're moving heavy equipment, it stays steady. With 4 durable caster wheels, you can glide your tools across the floor without struggling. It also features locking wheels to secure your tools in place during use, adding extra convenience and safety. Perfect for workshops with limited space, this mobile base lets you optimize your setup and improve workflow. This tool will make your workspace more organized and efficient. Cutting thin strips of wood can be challenging, but the GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig makes it a breeze. This clever tool attaches to your table saw to ensure perfect, consistent rip cuts every time. With an adjustable fence, you can customize the width of your strips, allowing you to work with various wood thicknesses. Its simple yet effective design prevents kickback, keeping you safe while you work. The smooth glide action feature makes it easy to move your wood through the saw with minimal friction. This jig enhances the accuracy of your cuts, especially when working on intricate projects. It's perfect for woodworking projects that require uniform strips, such as cabinetry or molding. With the GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig, you can take your cutting precision to the next level. The Nicpro Carpenter pencil combines functionality with style, offering a tool that's essential for marking your wood projects. With its thick, durable lead, you can make bold, visible marks that won't easily fade or smudge. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, ensuring precision and comfort during long sessions. It's great for marking wood, but its versatility also extends to other materials like metal or stone. This pencil comes with a built-in sharpener, so you never have to worry about your pencil becoming dull. Its rectangular shape prevents rolling off your workbench, keeping it within easy reach. Whether you're cutting, measuring, or joining wood, this pencil helps you stay accurate. A simple, effective tool that no woodworker should be without. The Rockler cabinet scraper holder takes your woodworking finishing to the next level with its sturdy and easy-to-use design. It holds your cabinet scraper firmly in place, allowing you to apply even pressure while smoothing rough surfaces. The ergonomic handle ensures you maintain control while working, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. This tool is perfect for removing blemishes, glue spots, and fine-tuning the surface of your projects. The durable construction of the holder provides consistent performance and a long lifespan, making it an excellent investment. Whether you're working on fine cabinetry or other detailed projects, this scraper holder helps you achieve a flawless finish. Its compact design allows for easy storage in your toolbox or workshop. Add this tool to your toolkit to make your finishing tasks smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.